Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on euro currency. So as you can see, both of our objects have been completed mostly. So we said that market could drift slightly lower within the session just to complete the major target on the daily. They hit the 1618 extension on the butterfly at 113 even, and that indeed has happened. Despite that some inner butterflies have been completed earlier, market still has made some minor drop down below the target on the hourly chart. I mean the butterfly that we have talked about recently, just to complete the major target. So that's absolutely normal, and it doesn't mean that the hourly chart, hourly butterfly has failed. That's why yesterday we have warned you that if you would like to take the long position here based on the butterfly and trying to take the risky entry on the long side of the market based just on the butterfly, don't wait and do not want to wait for a hand shoulders, put your stops below 113, somewhere 112.80 or lower. As you can see, that has made the sense, and indeed market has reached the 112.98. It's 113.01. Just spread between the bid-ask spread. It's bid price here, but by the ask price it's 113.01, and market has completed this butterfly target. Now, as you can see, we see that starting upward direction. So something is coming here, something is going on according to our expectation, and market at least starts to show minor signs of the pullback. So now let's see whether it will lead us to a real big retracement that we're talking about within the couple of months probably. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, it's nothing to talk about here. Market also has reached the weekly pivot support one and starting upward direction. We probably could treat it as the double ripple by a lookalike, as we said. From that standpoint, market should continue to move higher. But as I said yesterday, I prefer classical patterns. So if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, that's the major pattern that we are dealing with. This is butterfly that has been completed. Here you could see what I am talking about. As you can see, minor drop here down for another 20 pips just to complete the daily target. As soon as it has been done, market turns up. So here we're mostly watching for the first reverse hand shoulders. That's the first hand shoulders on the hourly, but later it could turn to the larger hand shoulders. So take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart. This is first hand shoulders. If you contract the chart, you will see large head and shoulders. This could become left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. So, but first we are dealing with this minor one. So by the shape of the pattern, market should reach approximately 1425. That's our target here. And indeed, as you can see, the slope of the head to the upside, we have minor A, B, C bottom pattern. Market hits OP, minor retracement. Now watching for XOP. XOP coincides mostly for the neckline. So I have drawn it flat, but honestly, it should had some slope, as you can see, because these two tops not flat. So approximately in this manner it should come, and you can see it coincides with the XOP target. But this is not really very important. That's the point where the market could turn down. So as we are coming closer and closer to potential entry point, or as we said, yes, this will be also culmination for overall this setup, this retracement. We will be watching for this point. This is harmonic bottom compared to the left shoulder. It's approximately 1360. This will be point where we'll be watching for a long entry. So I put the text here, as you can see, potential long entry point. And that will be not just the potential entry point, it also will be the moment of truth, because if market will fail to hold here, starts dropping and coming back to the lows, it's 113, it could mean that market will continue dropping on the daily and weekly chart. It means that probably no retracement will happen. So that's why it will be very important point. So now, guys, what I could say, that those of you who are taking position here now have the long position, you could move your stops to break even and just watch the movie. Others who are searching for a bit not as risky entry point and would like to take the position on retracement, as we said, this will be a bit safer opportunity to entry with this forming of the right arm of the hand shoulders pattern. Right now you could just wait and see when the market will hit this area, and then we will take a look again in our daily video, make an update and see what's going on here, and whether we will take the long position here or not. Potentially that's the level that we will be watching for.